Sustainability has become an important focus for agricultural production, and at Exsa, sustainability is a fundamental point of departure for all our activities. It is our goal to supply our consumers with a top-quality, food-safe product, and to achieve this, we farm in partnership with nature. In pursuit of long-term sustainability, we remain committed to social and environmental responsibility, both at the source and the destination of our product. We believe that quality starts from the soil, and we invest in our soils to ensure sustainable production for future generations. Exsa growers follow a biological approach to soil enrichment using traditional soil regenerative methods such as cover crops, mulching, and compost. This farming with nature approach allows us to create richer and healthier soils with less chemical fertilizer and water inputs. We take every care to utilize the minimum of crop protection chemicals. Our independent industry agrochemical advisors ensure that we remain vigilant of any changes to registration for chemical use in our target markets. Our fruit is continuously tested by independent laboratories to ensure our strict adherence to the maximum residue level tolerances for permitted crop protection chemicals. Integrated pest management forms part of our production practices. We continuously monitor our crops closely for pests and diseases and only apply crop protection chemicals when necessary. We incorporate biological control of pests into our production practices by using the naturally occurring good bugs to eliminate bad bugs. The release of sterile insects in our production regions to suppress pest populations have further reduced chemical requirements to produce our grapes. As our growers are increasingly covering their vineyards with nets, this controlled production environment also reduces chemical crop protection requirements. We proactively support the global initiatives to find alternatives to single-use plastics and to prevent sending packaging waste to landfills. Our mission to ensure that all the components of our packaging materials are either entirely compostable, biodegradable, or recyclable has motivated our ongoing trials in this field. With the support of our innovative packaging materials suppliers, these trials with sustainably produced and food-safe alternative packaging materials have yielded promising results. Exsa's growers implement the principles and practical applications of good agricultural practices in a quest to produce safe and healthy fruit within the parameters of economic, social, and environmental sustainability. These include the protection of biodiversity, including the fauna and flora in the natural habitat adjoining the farms of our growers, water source protection, as well as ensuring water security for the future sustainability of the farming units, as well as our business.
We have to be very careful with the wildlife right next to the vineyards and also the quiver trees, and it's very important to us we keep them safe. We have some springbok, gemsbok, blesbok, and a lot of quiver trees right next to the farm.
Table grape production is highly labor-intensive, and at Exsa, we recognize that our strength lies in a well-trained, productive workforce. We nurture good working relationships with our staff members through the continuous improvement of living standards. Most of our growers provide creche, preschool, and after-school care facilities for the children of their staff. Through ongoing technical and life skills training, we provide skills development and personal growth opportunities for our staff members. Throughout the production process, we remain mindful of our commitment to reducing our carbon footprint, and to further this aim, our growers are increasingly installing solar systems on their properties. This is monitored closely during the auditing process for compliance with industry standards, and together with our growers, we continuously make every possible effort to reduce our carbon footprint.
Our farm is owned by our family for the last 2 centuries now. So I think it's very important to farm sustainable to carry it on for the next 2 centuries.